In this video, I will show you how to automatically duplicate any shape in Adobe Illustrator. First, select the line segment tool and draw two guidelines. Select both lines and press Ctrl plus G. Group them. Now choose any shape from the toolbar and draw it on the artboard. Open the Layers panel and click the target icon for the selected shape. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Enable Reflect X and set copies 1. Then click OK. Now go back to Effect, Distort and Transform. This time enable Reflect Y. Set copies 1 and click OK. Now delete the original shape. Draw any new shape on the same targeted layer and watch the magic. Every new shape is automatically duplicated with perfect symmetry. This technique is perfect for creating logos, icon, mandalas, geometric artwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.